So guys, today we're going to be talking about this lens, the Android universal stroke iOS clip lens. So the universal clip lens can apply to both Samsung phones, HTC and iPhones. They are smart and can also be easily used for iPad, tablets, PC and laptops, or even any other appliances you can imagine. These lenses are available, which are fisheye lens, micro lens, wide angle lens, and also the macro lens. You can take and leave clear photos at smart angles of smart objects and obstacles. The wide angle, which can shoot larger range of scenery and footages, while the 180 degree, which is the fisheye lens, can be captured by fisheye, and also you have the ability to enable you to engage in photography and take and find other instant beauty in photography and aesthetics. Those of you that aren't familiar with photography, you understand what that means. You can take good photos with this. Those of you that are already conversant with Android photography as well as me, I'm going to show you how this works in some minutes now. I'm going to try and make use of focusing with the macro lens and see how it works. The macro lens involves you bringing the object closer to the screen as a point of use so that you can focus on directly on the object itself. So as you can see, the lens I put right here inside was the combination of the macro lens and the wide angle lens. That's give you a wide angle view. That is the importance of that. And you combine the wide angle and the macro lens, it gives you a wide angle view. So let's see right now. .65x wide. Also, we're going to try and test the both lenses together and see how they perform. Right now right here, so we have the macro lens. I'm going to take some shots with it and see how they perform. So I'm going to clip it right to the lens itself and see how it gets. So while the macro lens is clipped to the lens, to the phone camera, it gets a kind of blurry because it only focuses on objects that are very close to the lens itself. And see the kind of crisp quality it gets when the objects are brought closer to the lens itself. Can you see that? You can see that very close and crispy. Can you see? Very close and crispy. A focus range that is not that far from like 2 meters from the lens itself, whereas other cameras can do like 5 meters and so on. I'm gonna use other objects. Now I'm going to focus on the lens cover itself, the camera lens cover. You can see what is written there clearly. You can see the design and the textures in the lens cover. Can you see that? Now we're going to focus on more objects. The object we're going to focus on now, you can see through this video, you can see the iPhone lightning cable. You can see how crisp it looks, very close to the object itself. It had a very close look at it. You can see how close it came. Very nice. You're also going to take a look at this USB port. You can see the inside of it. This lens is very good too. when you want to check and make use of your lens itself to capture where there's dirt in your phone lens, to capture where there's dirt in your phone charging points on your USB ports, so you can be able to clean them themselves. Capture the dirt, to capture the debris and clean them. As you can see right here, there's not much dirt here because the cable is just a new cable. It doesn't really spend sometimes in my base. So you're gonna check into my power bank USB port and see how that looks. Okay, I think we got that now. Gonna check the insides on how it looks. Can't you see? You can look at that. Look at the Type-C ports. You can see there's some dirt in. Let me take a very closer and gentle, steady focus on that. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, there's a lot of dirt in there. Pretty much dirt that can't be easily removed by hand, but a tiny cloth. Even here as well. Wow, there's a lot of dirt in here. A lot of dirt, man. So this is the most of the essential use and one of the profitable use of this lens, this macro lens as well. Very close-up shots that it can take. If you're not looking for a phone, or maybe you have a phone that doesn't take very close sharp objects itself, you can just grab this lens and stuck it in there and take a very macro shot, take good shots. The objects you want to take macro mode. Can you see? So guys, we've come almost to the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and endeavor to share this video to whoever wants it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handles at Theartofemman. Thanks for watching.